What's up, guys? So today I'm gonna help my friend Jordan install his exhaust bot on his Integra. So I have to drive to his place because his exhaust won't fit in his trunk. So yeah. What wheels do you have?
Koenig Hypergrass. Bunch of RSX in here in the big area.
Really?
You're gonna see them in base model or a grand model driving a Type S.
Yeah.
I think I have a light and flywheel when I bought the car.
Really?
Yep.
Oh yeah, the revs drop faster.
Mm-hmm. Whatever you want. I bought a... What bushings are those?
Oh yeah, there's like no squeaking at all.
I forgot the bushings.
Was it energy?
Energy, yeah, energy. On the control arms.
Alright, thank you. It was so much fun. Yeah.
You're filming this part too?
Yeah, of course. It's taking up all the space. You see this?
Yes, sir. Here we go. For untrained customers to install an unfamiliar product could be dangerous as it could result in injury and or severe burns. Please request a specialist service shop to do the installation. That's me, bro.
That was a pain.
It was super easy, bro. Car noises through it.
This looks like a crab. The car noises through it.
Fire. Sounds like a dying cat.
There we go. I can't even get the...
Is this clicking once?
Yeah, it's...
Alright.
We got it.
And now we're gonna try it with no exhaust.
It's gonna sound like a lawnmower.
Oh shoot, the cat's hanging. Look at it. Look
Yeah,
at
because when I sat down, I heard scraping.
Look at it.
Your neighbors probably hate you. Nutted.
I don't know if you guys saw it, but this is Jordan's car. Super nice. That's my car over there. Time to put the new piping on.
You got it? You wanna try?
Go, you right there.
Oh, I can't do it. My shoulder is hold the exhaust. There's only one part.
Oh, dude, look at that. We gotta bolt it up. It's not bolted up.
It's not longer out like Max's exhaust is.
Oh yeah, that's stupid. Don't get Max exhaust.
I thought
Sorry,
you said he
Max.
was your homie.
He was, but his exhaust is dumb.
Yes, sir. It's clean. It's cleaner than I thought it'd be.
Looking nice. I have my windows open. Trying to air out. My car doesn't smell like soup anymore. I left soup in the trunk. Not the best idea, but
I love it very much. I'm very impressed already. I haven't even driven yet, too.
look at this seatbelt right here. What? That's so cool.